What's going on, family? It's your man, Miami Patron, back in the cut, coming to you guys from my beautiful hometown of San Diego, California. Alright guys, it's been a minute since I actually created a YouTube video, almost coming up on a week, because I don't know what kind of content to create because I'm not traveling right now. So I'm going to be experimenting, putting out new content for you guys over the next couple weeks to see what you guys like, and just going and documenting my process. For those of you that don't know, I started this YouTube channel almost 3 years ago, and I'm getting back into Amazon FBA. For those of you that have been saw my first YouTube videos, you know, one of my most popular videos on my channel to this day is helping people get started on Amazon affiliate marketing. You know, that was almost 2 or 3 years ago, so I'm getting back into it now. Why is that? Right, so I went into consulting. I think I have another video about it, but I'm jumping back into Amazon FBA right now. I'm in the process of ordering samples. I just put in an order for my samples of the product that I'm going to be sharing. That I'm going to be selling on Amazon. I got one of the samples today. The rest will be coming in next week. And what I'm going to be doing over the next several weeks here on this YouTube channel is documenting the process. You know, getting back into FBA. I started this 2 years ago. I started with Amazon FBA 2 years ago. I was making about $80 a day, and then my product got taken down by Amazon because of faulty products. Had to get all those products shipped down to my house, and I ended up giving away almost $2,000 worth of product to my church because it was just a mess, and I didn't have enough money to get back into Amazon FBA. That was 2 years ago. Things have changed so much. I've done so many things since that time, but it feels so good to get back into Amazon FBA. It's such an easier business model than the things I've been doing in the past with social media marketing and everything like that. But guys, I want to give you a quick little update video that we're getting started back with Amazon FBA. So right now in the process ordering samples. I've already done the product research. I've already done all this stuff. All right, so I'll see you guys. Make sure you stay tuned because this is the very beginning. Right now we're at $0 in sales with the Amazon FBA business, and we're gonna grow this thing to multi-million dollars a year, selling products on Amazon and eventually holding live events where we can teach others how to do the same and become digital nomads, become free, and travel the world. So make sure you guys stay tuned because we're gonna be updating about Amazon FBA business and also traveling, because I think we're gonna be going to Brazil in February. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. I'll see you guys next time. This is the update for Miami Patron. I'll see you guys soon.